Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. We're starting out the day with some mostly sunny skies, and we'll see the clouds begin to roll into the area as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today, and eventually see some rain move in to the Wallops region as well as we get into the evening hours tonight. I want to take a quick look at our current surface analysis. You can see high pressure centered over the Outer Banks this morning. That'll be pushing off the coast as we go throughout the day today, and this system just off to our west will start to make its way closer to the mid-Atlantic coast as we go into the afternoon and evening hours tonight. Looks like we'll see a chance of some rain potentially working its way into the area by late afternoon, but the best chances will be during the evening hours as we push closer to the midnight hour. Taking a quick look at our radar, you can see really nothing out there to be concerned with yet. Starting to see some showers breaking out into the northern portions of Virginia, but we'll see several hours still of dry weather before we see some of that precipitation making its way into our local area. I want to take a quick look here at our infrared satellite. You can see a lot of the upper level cloudiness starting to move into the region. Off to the west, that's when we get into our lower level and mid-level clouds that will be making its way in later this afternoon. But we'll still see quite a bit of sunshine as we go through the morning hours as we really just deal with some of that cirrus cloudiness. Taking a look here at our short-range high-resolution model, you can see the precipitation chances will be increasing as we go into the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see this model depicting some showers reaching the northern portions and central portions of the Delmarva by that time. It does look like most of the activity during the late afternoon will be north of the Wallops region, and then it will be just a few more hours into the evening before we get into the higher chances of precipitation down here in the Wallops area. As we go into the evening hours, this would be about 10 o'clock. We're going to see a very likely chance of seeing those rain showers, some moderate at times, and possibly some embedded thunderstorm activity as well. Not looking at a very high chance of thunderstorm activity. Most of that will be just south of the region, but we will see about a 20% chance of seeing some of those showers embedded with some thunderstorm activity. As we go into the overnight period, by around 2 a.m., you'll start to see those showers moving off the coast and starting to see really some drying occurring as far as the precipitation goes by the early morning hours of Thursday. What we will be left with will be some low-level cloudiness for our Thursday morning, and mostly cloudy to overcast skies will continue on into the day on Thursday. Switching over to our European model and what we can expect as we go into the long term, those precipitation chances again will be decreasing as we go into the day on Thursday. And as we approach Friday, we're going to see a colder air mass move into the region. Should see high temperatures about 5 degrees cooler than what we'll see on Thursday, but we'll also see some windier conditions as well, with the potential for a wind advisory being posted on Friday with those breezy conditions. Looks like we'll remain dry on Friday and then start to see some weak impulses moving into the region for the weekend, looking like a scattered to isolated shower will be possible on Sunday, and then maybe a little better chance as we get into the day on Sunday and Monday, seeing those chances increasing. So I want to take a look here at our upper level winds from this morning's balloon release. You can see that freezing level at about 9,200 feet, and those winds very light in the low levels of the atmosphere. Out of the west at around 5 knots through the first 3,000 feet of the column there, and then as we go higher in height up to around 25,000 feet, we see those winds shifting out of the northwest and increasing up near 50 knots at the 25,000 foot level. So for the next 24 hours, you can see really not having any real risk for precipitation chances work its way into the area until around 4 o'clock, and then a better chance later this evening where those chances become likely. Again, about a 20% chance that some of those showers could be embedded with a thunderstorm after 9 p.m. this evening as we go through the midnight hour and into the wee hours of the morning on Thursday. Thursday morning, we'll see those low clouds continuing, a slight chance of a light rain shower into the morning hours of Thursday. We'll wake up to temperatures in the low 50s under cloudy skies, and again, that slight chance of an isolated shower or two during the morning hours of Thursday. So your 7-day outlook, looking at the likely scenario for rain Wednesday night into Thursday, We will see again the heaviest rain occurring between the hours of around 9 o'clock and 1 a.m. and then starting to see some drying as far as the precipitation goes into Thursday morning, although we will be waking up to some rather damp conditions with those low clouds continuing. So we get into Friday and Saturday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies. It does look like we'll remain dry for your Friday and Saturday forecast, and then for Sunday, introducing those chances for some precipitation once again. Any rain we get on Sunday should be isolated, not an all-day event, and at this point, looking at only about a 20% chance of seeing some showers here at Wallops. Going into the early portion of next week, we'll see a slight chance of rain on Monday, about a 30% chance. Temperatures warming a bit as we go into your Tuesday, where we'll see mostly cloudy skies and a high of 66 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.